Hey everyone, this is Nutty right here. If y'all know, this is Nutty LMAO on Twitch. When you get a forehead shot? Is that what that is? Nutty makes amazing streaming content. You just passed, what, 120k subs?
No one cares.
No one cares. No one cares. Quick question for you. If you had one piece of advice that you had to give streamers, most of my content's smaller streamers, budget equipment.
Like tech stuff? Or like
all
just
tech, streaming stuff, kind of, in general, anything.
Dude, if you see my setup, like I love tech. It's like not the most important thing. The most important thing for me is like storytelling.
Yeah.
That's the first thing I always tell people. A lot of people make stuff, but they're just like all over the place. Like they're just playing games. They come in their streams like with no plan. They're just like, oh, we're gonna like do ranked games today. Like no one stands out doing that.
Yeah.
So like trying to figure out like, I swear like getting into YouTube videos is like, people always say to do that for like discoverability, but I think YouTube videos are really good because it forces you to actually sit down and think about what you're trying to tell people.
Yeah.
That's the biggest thing for people, just like actually think about what you're making. But yeah, as far as like tech stuff, I mean like it's cool to have like cool mics and stuff and cool cameras, but like as long as you have like something that is watchable, then that's like all you really need to start. Because I think a lot of people get sucked up with like, you know, like trying to get the latest gear and stuff, and it doesn't really help them out. They spend a lot of time like tinkering with stuff, and then like, is it really getting you anywhere? So just like, I don't know, make YouTube videos, and don't do it just because someone YouTube says like it's great for discoverability. Do it because like you actually want to tell something that's meaningful to people.
Yeah. That's so great, man. Yeah. Seriously though, love your content.
Thank you.
My best thing about what you do right now, you did the green screen monitor where you actually took the picture from behind and overlaid everything. It's crazy, dude.
Yeah, I mean, I'm always trying to like come up with, it's like, I'm pretty competitive. I'm just trying to like stick out from other people. And then when other people do stuff that I'm doing, it pushes me to do more stuff.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's pretty cool to see like the stuff that people have come up with like OBS and stuff.
Right.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Good for you. How was that flight from Australia? It's Australia, right?
Yeah, it was brutal. Like 30 hours to get here.
No way. Do you have a bunch of layovers?
Well, I had a layover in LA. Because there's no such thing as like a direct flight here. I had a layover in LA. It was like a 4-hour layover.
Yeah.
And it was it was long, but I haven't done it before, so.
Right. Is this your first TwitchCon?
It's my first TwitchCon, yeah.
Wow. First time to Vegas?
I've been to Vegas a few times before. I've been to America a lot. But yeah.
It's crazy, man.
Yeah.
Well, hey. Thank you for taking some time, man.
Thanks, man. That's cool.
Yeah. I actually tagged you on Twitter. I was like, hey, I'd love to be able to sit down with you at some point and just have a conversation.
I don't know if you saw, I was super trolling people on Twitter.
Really?
I was like,
I saw plenty of stuff on Twitter, but yeah.
Because I kept on being like, hey guys, I'm like, Toad's gonna be in Vegas for TwitchCon, and nobody believed me. And then I put out a tweet yesterday. I was like, I finally made it here in San Diego for TwitchCon, and people were like, you're in the wrong city, dude. You go on my Twitter now, you know, people have it in their, they change their name to like at TwitchCon or something.
Yeah,
I'm like at San Diego for TwitchCon Las Vegas.
I love it, man. Well, hey, thank you for taking some time. I really appreciate it, dude.